best.
Take notice, this is no run-of-the-mill cat. This is a snowshoe.
They get their name, the snowshoe, because their feet have to be all white.
All white is how this beautiful breed is actually born. It's not until a few weeks after birth that the people-loving snowshoe develops its characteristically darker points on the face, ears, legs, and tail.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. It's Lavender here, and today I am back with a new The Animal Science Files video. Today I am doing The Animal Science Files, the domesticated cats, facts, information about them. So let's get started into this video. So yeah, the cat, Felis catarrus, is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal that belongs to the family Felidae. Cats are carnivores. As of 2017, the domestic cat was the second most popular pet in the United States behind the dog, with 95 million cats owned. It is the only domesticated species in the family Felidae and is often referred to as the domesticated cat to distinguish it from wild members of this family. Felidae, a family that had a common ancestor about 10 through 15 million years ago. The cat evolved through artificial selection, from people and stuff like that, like all mammals, and both possess 38 chromosomes and roughly 20,000 genes. The cat is similar in anatomy to other feline species. It has a strong, flexible body, quick reflexes, sharp teeth, and retractable claws, adapted to killing small prey like rodents and birds. Its night vision and sense of smell are well developed and widely developed. Cat communication includes vocalizations like meowing, purring, trilling, hissing, growling, and grunting, as well as cat-specific body language. Purring may be a sign as an evolutionary advantage as to signaling mechanism of reassurances between the mother cat and her nursing kittens. That could be a theory. Cats are known for spending a considerable amount of time licking their coats to keep them clean. Some cats, particularly long-haired cats, are susceptible and occasionally regurgitate hairballs of fur that have collected in their stomachs from grooming. The domesticated cat has a smaller skull and shorter bones than that of the European wildcat. Unlike human arms, cat forelimbs are attached to the shoulder by free-floating scalver bones, which allow them to pass their body through any space into which they can fit their heads in. The cat skull is unusual among mammals, and having a very large eye sockets for how small the animal is, and a powerful stimulated jaw. Within the jaw, cats have teeth adapted for killing prey and tearing meat. When it overpowers its prey, the cat delivers a lethal neck bite with its two long canine teeth, inserting them between the two of the prey's vertebrae and severing its spinal cord. causing irreversible paralysis and eventually death. Compared to other felines, domesticated cats have narrowly spaced canine teeth relative to the size of their jaw, which is an adaptation to their preferred prey of small rodents and birds, which have small vertebrae. Cats walk on their toes and not on their feet. Unlike most mammals, it uses a pacing gait, and it registers directly by placing each hind paw close to the track of the corresponding forepaw, minimizing noise and sound. That's why when a cat goes up behind you and you can't hear it, that's why. This also provides sure footing for hind paws when navigating rough terrain such as mountainous areas. Cats have protractable and retractable claws. In their normal, relaxed position, the claws are hidden away. This keeps the claws sharp by preventing wear and tear from the environment they're in and allows them to silently stalk of prey. Cats have excellent night vision, as they should. However, the domesticated cat has rather poor color vision and can only see two types of cone cells optimized for sensitivity due to blue and yellowish green. Its ability to see, browns and reds is limited. The domesticated cat's hearing is most acute in the range of 500 Hz to 32 Hz. It can detect an extremely broad range of frequencies ranging from 55 Hz to 79,000 Hz. It can hear a range of 10.5 octaves, while humans and dogs can only hear ranges about 9 octaves. It can detect ultrasound, which enables it to detect ultrasound calls made by rodent prey or their, hunting prey. Cats have an acute sense of smell, in part to do with their well-developed olfactory bulb. Cats, like many other animals, have a Jovian's organ in their mouths. It allows them to sense certain aromas, and cats are sensitive to pheromones. They use that to communicate through urine spraying and marking territory to scent glands. Many cats also respond strongly to plants such as catnip. Cats are relatively few taste buds compared to humans. And to aid with navigation and sensation, cats have dozens of movable whiskers on its face to sense what's around them, since they don't have arms like people. Most breeds of cat have a noted fondness for sitting in high places or perching, whether that is on a cat tree or in a tree or just somewhere up high like a fence or whatever. A higher place may serve as a concealed site from which to hunt and see down below them. Domestic cats strike prey by pouncing on them from a perch such as a tree branch. Another possible motive and explanation is that the height gives the cat a better observation point, allowing it to survey its territory and, see what's going on in the world. Cats hunt small prey, primarily small birds and rodents are very particular and notable prey and are often used as a form of pest control. Cats have two hunting strategies, either stalking prey actively or waiting in ambush until the animal comes close enough to be captured and caught. On islands, birds can contribute to as much as 60% of a cat's diet, depending on where it is located at. A poorly understood element of cat hunting behavior is why cats will present their owners with dead food and try to give them gifts of dead prey. One explanation is that cats adopt humans into their social group and have shared access kill with others because they want to teach you how to hunt. Domesticated cats, especially young kittens, are known for their love of play. This behavior mimics hunting and is important. Cats also engage in play fighting with each other and with humans and their owners. This behavior may be a way for cats to practice the skills they need for real combat and fighting. Cats also tend to play with toys more when they are hungry due to their prey response. Cats conserve energy by sleeping more than most animals, usually. Some cats can sleep as much as 18 hours to 20 hours. While asleep, cats experience short periods of rapid eye movement. Sleep, often accompanied by muscle twitches, would suggest they are dreaming, and they are dreaming animals, and cats can dream. Among domestic cats, males are more likely to fight than females. Neutering will decrease or eliminate this behavior in many cases, suggesting that this characteristic of behavior is linked to sex hormones of the cat. When cats become aggressive, they try to make themselves appear larger and more threatening by raising their fur, arching their backs, turning sideways, and hissing. Males are usually larger than females, but not in all cases. Cats can weigh up to 9 pounds to 20 pounds on average, although rarely more than that. Here are some examples of big cats. If you're looking for a big cat breed, you'll find everything you want with a Maine Coon cat. Weighing up to 20 pounds with this big, fluffy coats, the Guinness World Record holder for the largest cat in the world was actually a Maine Coon called Braverol, and measured an impressive 3 feet and 11 inches from head to the tip of its tail. These gentle giants were originally kept as farm cats, as they're excellent for hunting rodents and getting rid of the pests. Savannah cats are a result of crossing domesticated cats, usually a Siamese or the serval, as an African wild cat. When it comes to size, it often varies depending on how much of the serval, the wild, is in it. But the tallest Savannah on record was measured to be a whopping 19.05 inches. Weighing as much as 20 pounds, male ragdolls are generally significantly larger than their female counterparts. Ragdolls are one of the most popular cat breeds in the UK, which is largely due to their big blue eyes, which is really rare in cats. It's rare for cats to have blue eyes, so yeah, another fact. The cat is a predator that is most active at dawn and at dusk. They primarily hunt at night and are more active at night. The cat is a solitary hunter, but a social species. Cats can hear sounds too faint for humans to hear in human ears, such as those made by mice and other small mammals. And the male cat is called a tom, while the female is called a queen. Cats in a group are called a clan or a glaring. A male cat is called Tom, while the female is called a queen. I already said that, sorry. The female utters a loud yowl as the male pulls out of her while mating because the male cat's penis is barbed and has spines on it. And because ovulation is not always triggered by a single mating, females may not be impregnated by a single mating session. Female domesticated cats can have kittens from spring to late autumn, with litter sizes usually ranging from 2 to 5 kittens. It just depends. Kittens are weaned between 6 and 7 weeks of age. Queens normally reach sexual maturity at 5 through 10 months, and males at 5 through 7 months. This varies depending on breed. Kittens reach puberty at the age of 9 through 10 months. Cats are ready to go to new homes at about 12 weeks of age. When they are ready to leave their mother, they can be surgically sterilized, sprayed, or neutered as early as 7 weeks to limit unwanted reproduction and pregnancies. This surgery also prevents undesirable traits such as, male cats will spray and stuff like that. It gets rid of that. The average lifespan of a pet cat has risen in recent decades and years. The lifespan of a typical cat, depending on whether it's an indoor or outdoor cat, and the health is usually, and this type of breed of cat is usually between 7 years and 20 years, depending on obviously the health and if the cat is an indoor or outdoor cat or the cat, breed. Because there are plenty of cat breeds out there. Some have more health problems than others, so yeah. Some cats have been reported as surviving in their late 30s, with the oldest cat known, Cream Puff, dying at the certified, verified age of 38. Spraying or neutering increases life expectancy. One study found that neutered male cats live twice as long as intact males, while sprayed female cats live 62% longer than intact females. As having a cat neutered benefits it because it won't get testicular cancer, or is less prone to it. Sprayed females cannot develop underline or ovarian cancer because they've had their ovaries removed. Domesticated cats are bred and shown at events as registered pedigree cats. You can see this like an Animal Planet and shows like that. It's a hobby known as cat fancy. Failure to control breeding of pet cats leads to a huge feral cat population, so that is why it's recommended to spray and neuter your cats as soon as they're old enough to be, do that. So yeah, the social behavior of the domestic cat ranges from widely dispersed individuals to federal cat colonies that gather around a food source based on groups of co-operating females. Within such groups, one cat is usually dominant over the others. Each cat as a colony holds a distinct territory, with sexually active males having the largest territory, which are about 10 times larger than those of their female counterparts. Cats were first domesticated around 7500 BC, and it was long thought that cat domestication was instigated in ancient Egypt, but since around 3100 BC, virion was given to cats in ancient Egypt. The earliest known indication of domestication and taming of the African wildcat dating to 7500 through 7200 BC. As agricultural practices spread during human times, so did the tameness and domesticated cats. Wildcats of Egypt contributed to the maternal gene pool of the domesticated cat at a later time date. The earliest known evidence for the occurring of the domesticated cat was in Greece, dates back to around 1200 BC. Greek. During domestication, cats have undergone only minor changes in evolutionary traits. They're pretty much the same, notable features, such as their natural behaviors and characteristics. Wild cats, like their size, social nature, obvious body language, love of play, and relatively high intelligence for the species. And here are just a few more facts about cats that I want to throw in because I think science is so cool and cats are so awesome. And cats are actually my favorite pets, so here are some other facts about cats. So yeah, cats are believed to be the only mammals who don't taste sweetness. Cats can jump up to 6 times their length. Cats have 230 bones, while humans only have 206. Cats have the largest eyes relative to their head size of any mammal on this earth. Cats' rough tongues can lick a bone clean from any shard of meat. Cats use their long tails to balance themselves. Some cats are ambidextrous. Cats have developed a reputation for being rather aquatophobic, which means they hate water and stuff. But not all cats. Many cats are fascinated by water and may enjoy dipping their paws into bathtubs, while wild cats in warm climates may go for the occasional refreshing dip to cool off. Most domesticated cats descended from felines that lived in really dry regions such as deserts, so swimming wasn't really a necessity for survival. So I guess some part of the reason why cats don't like water is that maybe being wet, that and being wet is simply unpleasant for cats. Despite popular belief, many cats are actually lactose intolerant, which means most of them can't drink milk. Cats have a unique vocabulary with their owner. Each cat has a different set of vocalizations, purrs, and behaviors. Cats have up to 100 different vocalizations. Dogs only have 10. Cats mark their territory when they rub against your face or your body. Kneading, which people refer to as cats making biscuits, or making dough, is a sign of contentment and happiness. Cats need their mothers when they are nursing to stimulate the letdown of milk. Cats like to sleep on things that smell like their owners, whether that is pillows, their sheets, and their dirty laundry. A green cat was born in Denmark in 1995. Some people believe that high levels of copper in the water pipes nearby may have given his fur a green effect. Cats can drink salt water because their kidneys are adapted to it. However, obviously, it's not healthy for any animal to drink salt water, obviously, but they can if they really have to. Cats have contributed to the extinction of 33 different species. Kittens in the same litter can have different dads. 200 feral cats prowl the park at Disneyland. Those are just some of the facts about cats and information. If you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys, see you next video.